Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a table of contents in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Evernote, or you can simply use the Evernote app on your device. Once you're there, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several options listed there. Click on Notes to view all your available notes. This is where you'll be working to organize your content into a structured table of contents. Now, in the left panel, locate and click on the destination note where you want your table of contents to appear. This is the note that will serve as your main hub, housing links to all the other notes you want to organize together. Here's where it gets interesting. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and while keeping it pressed, click on the individual notes you want to include in your table of contents. The beauty of this feature is that you can select multiple notes at once, making it easy to gather all related content in one go. Once you've selected all the notes you need, click and drag them into your preferred destination note. Make sure to position them below the blue line that appears. When you release them, Evernote will automatically generate a table of contents with clickable links to each of those notes. This creates a centralized navigation system that makes accessing your related notes much faster and more organized. Alternatively, if you only want to add a specific note to your table of contents, there's another method you can use. In the left panel, click on the note you want to work with to open it. Next, click anywhere within the note where you'd like to insert the table of contents. This action will open up the toolbar at the top of your screen, giving you access to various editing options. In the upper left corner of the toolbar, locate and click on Insert. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Scroll down through this menu until you find Table of Contents, then click on it. Evernote will instantly create a table of contents right at the spot where you clicked, organizing your note structure in a clean, accessible format. And there you have it. You've successfully created a table of contents in Evernote, making your notes more organized and easier to navigate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.